Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you some little dies, metal dies that I have. I recently purchased a package of tropical sort of foliage dies, and I've been kind of playing around with them, trying them out with different papers, different patterns and things. And I wanted to show you how to use the Cuttlebug machine and cut them out. There might be some people that are watching this that are not familiar with a die cutting machine, or maybe you've seen the packages of different dies at craft stores and so forth and weren't really sure what you do with them or how they are used. So I thought I would share that today just for something a little different. So I'll show you the ones I've purchased here. So this one is just a kind of a large tropical leaf, and it's got some lines on it and then the little holes there just for some decoration. So there's that one. This one is a little kind of a plant stem with just little green or little foliage on there, and that's a nice one. And then there's the third one here is kind of a, I don't know, a jagged edge kind of a leaf, I guess, or kind of has spikes on it. It's kind of a cool one. Now I haven't cut this one out yet, but I thought we could do that together, and I'll show you with my machine how that works. But before I do that, I'll show you some that I've cut out here. So using this tropical leaf right here, I've cut out some, let's see, these first couple here in this kind of a solid green paper. So you can see what they look like here. So those are going to be nice to use on cards, or you could use them on tags, or, you know, some people do planner books. You could use them in there, but I'm going to use them on cards eventually. And then I've used the next two I cut out were on some green paper with, it had kind of white lines and stripes on it. And so that gave another look to that particular leaf. And then I used a pattern paper, and that one, you know, was a little bit different. It had some browns and greens and stuff on there, so that was kind of cool. And then I just did one in kind of a bright, kind of more Christmassy color paper. So that's that tropical leaf. So there's a lot of variations you can get from that. Now for this one, let's see, I've done first I did a couple in just in white paper, so they're kind of neat. They kind of look like little blossoms. So that's the white. And then I did some from pattern paper as well. And this way you get more colors in it and a little kind of more variegated look to it. So that's kind of neat. I mean, you can see these kind of on a card front, you know, like do different layers together and, you know, make a little bouquet, or, you know, however you want to spread them out on your card. And then there's one in a solid green, light green there, and this one's in that Christmas green again. So, and you could even use, you know, different colors that are brighter. You could go whimsical, whatever you want to do with them. So that's kind of neat. And these are some of the papers that I used. Just a solid green like this. You could use a pattern one. This one's just a little small pattern, and then this one was a larger pattern. That's the one I did like this bigger tropical leaf out of. So just whatever papers you have, you can try that out. And so now I think we will go ahead and die cut this one out together. So stay tuned if you'd like to see how that's done. I've got my little Cuttlebug machine opened up here, and the little die is sandwiched in between the plexiglass plates here. And then there's a little crank handle on here that I just wind and hold down and wind the die through. And I just go back another time, usually twice, for just one die works quite well. And then I'll take it out here, move these to the side. And there you can use a little piercing tool to poke these little holes, and that will help release the paper a little easier. Oh, you can see it's starting to come out there. And there you have that kind of fancy little tropical leaf. And maybe we'll do one more with this larger leaf so that you can have a look at that. We're ready to run that through. Move that out of the way. I'll just poke some little of the holes out here. Make it easier to get it out. Let's see, this one's a little stickier. There we go, it's starting to come out. And then just, you want to gently pull each of the little petals up, and there you have that one. Just poke the little holes out that are supposed to be out there. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and you can see the neat shapes you can get, and you know, it should be fun making some cards with these die cuts. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you feel inspired. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.